Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today's lesson is very special because you are going to learn 150 daily English sentences, short, simple, and powerful. These sentences will help you speak English naturally, quickly, and confidently in real life. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully. Let's begin. Part 1. Daily Use Sentences. Repeat after me. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good night. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Part 2. Everyday replies. I don't know. I know. Maybe. Sure. Absolutely. No problem. That's fine. I got it. I understand. I don't understand. Part 3. Quick communication. Please wait. Just a minute. Come here. Go there. Don't worry. It's okay. Calm down. Relax. No way. Really. Part 4. Asking questions. Where are you from? I am from America. What do you do? I am a student. I am working. Are you busy? Yes, a little. No, not really. What's going on? Nothing much. Part 5. Home and daily life. Coming inside. Lock the door. Close the window. Open the window. Switch on the light. Switch off the fan. Please sit down. Stand up. Make the bed. Clean the room. Part 6. Eating time. I am hungry. I am full. Let's eat. What's for dinner? The food is delicious. I like spicy food. I don't like it. Can I have more? Please pass the salt. I need water. Part 7. Outside and travel. Where are you going? I am going to work. I am going home. Let's go. Drive slowly. Stop here. Turn right. Turn left. Go straight. How far is it? Part 8. Study and work. I have homework. I am studying. I have a meeting. I am working on it. I will try. I agree. I disagree. Do it now. I am busy right now. I will call you later. Part 9. Phone conversations. Hello? Can you hear me? Speak louder. Call me back. Text me. Send me the details. I lost the signal. My battery is low. I am driving. Talk to you later. Part 10. Feelings and reactions. I am happy. I am sad. I am tired. I feel sick. I am worried. That's funny. That's amazing. That's surprising. That's unbelievable. I feel better. Part 11. Shopping. How much is this? It's too expensive. It's cheap. I don't need it. I like this color. I'll take it. Any discount? Show me something else. Do you have this in medium? I'm just looking. Part 12. Daily polite phrases. Please come in. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Excuse me. I am sorry. It's my fault. Don't mention it. Not at all. That's very kind of you. I appreciate it. Part 14. Weather talk. It's hot today. It's cold outside. It's raining. It's windy. The weather is perfect. It's freezing. It's too sunny. The weather is changing. It looks cloudy. It might rain. Part 15. Social talk. What's new? Nothing special. How's everything? All good. Let's catch up. Keep in touch. Long time no see. See you soon. Take care. Have a nice day. Great job, my friend. You have just learned essential daily English sentences that will help you speak faster, easier, and more naturally. Remember, speak slowly. Repeat daily. Listen again and again. Practice out loud. Your English will improve step by step, day by day. Thank you for joining 24/7 Talk English. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.